Discord custom status, how to use the new Discord custom status feature. Now, custom status is basically something that will let you add anything to your status. Like normally, when you listen to songs on Spotify, it shows listening to this song. When you play games, it shows playing this game. But now you can add a custom status. To do this, simply click on your profile icon from here, and here you can see many options, and here you can see add status. So you can add a custom status by clicking on add status and right here what's cooking, and I'll just like that you can just type in whatever else that you prefer. So let's say you want to type in playing Roblox, you can just type in that and add some few spaces. You can choose until when you want to clear this. You can select status online, offline, idle, or do not disturb, whatever else it is, and you can just click the save option. Similarly, you can go ahead and then basically change this to any of the games or maybe any of the songs that you are going to be playing right here. And once you've done that, only then you'll be able to figure out all these options and you can click on the save option to save the status. This is what the status is all about. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.